Made by ABB means verified and proven reliability for the long run. This is based on our global ABB quality standards, which are exactly the same in every ABB drives factory in the world. These standards cover platform design, component selection, manufacturing processes, quality control, product testing, and traceability. As a customer, you can rest assured that our proven track record guarantees that your own processes will perform at the highest possible levels for production, product quality, and value added.
To achieve this, all our ABB drive factories in the world use the same proven reliability engineering methods to ensure that our products have the same superior dependability for years. This gives direct financial benefits like lower maintenance and operation costs and higher productive uptime for your drives and your production lines.
Our drives are designed with extremely high attention to detail. We build in durability using well-established and proven ABB design processes, including extensive accelerated lifetime testing done in the ABB Drives Reliability Center, to make sure the final product meets our highest global standards.
All our drives components are globally sourced from carefully selected suppliers who are also subject to our quality management procedures. We apply the same quality requirements on our suppliers' components as we do on our own components and design. Only in this way are we able to guarantee outstanding reliability of our drives.
All ABB software and hardware platforms are based on decades of deep experience with ABB's low voltage and medium voltage drives, as well as state-of-the-art software testing. You get 100% pure ABB original design and quality in every drive, irrespective of the manufacturing location.
In the modern ABB plant, where the ACS580MV is manufactured, the production process is state-of-the-art, just like all other ABB plants. We can highlight 3 specific steps that assure superior quality and reliability. Automated assembly, which uses an ABB robot to perform delicate power module assembly steps. Every assembly step is checked for the key critical to quality parameters. This ensures consistently high quality in each module produced for the greatest reliability. Precise measurement processes, like smart tightening technology that assures application of the design torque to all bolts and nuts, with full control and traceability of the results. Automated testing of each drive before leaving the factory, which is standard for all ABB drives, and the ACS580MV is no exception, to increase efficiency and eliminate any risk of human error. The tests are performed by automated 2-level testing on the power module and on the drive level. Detailed analysis of this data provides a final guarantee of the ACS580MV product quality. All of these procedures add up to give you the calm reassurance that your ACS580MV drive will function perfectly from day one and for many years long into the future.
As a result of all these quality measures, we have unprecedentedly low failure rates with the ACS580MV. When routine service is needed, or in the rare event when an emergency arises, ABB has the widest global service network in the drives business, staffed with highly skilled engineers. They are ready 24/7 to support with fast reaction times, either on-site or remotely, using latest digital service tools and condition monitoring technology. We not only fix customers' problems, but also carefully analyze root causes of any failure to implement potential reliability improvements and prevent future issues.
Our ACS580MV drives fully meet ABB's highest quality standards because they are designed by our qualified and experienced engineers using state-of-the-art technology and premium components. With ABB ACS580MV Medium Voltage drives and our advanced services running your processes, you'll never need to worry about excessive costs caused by unplanned shutdowns.
When you invest in ABB drives to run your processes, you can always count on truly priceless payback. Peace of mind.